Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew and it's Sunday morning. Rob and I have already done our grocery shopping and I'm starting to prep my mise en place for a one-pot chicken stew. It's stew season, folks. So let's see what I've got going on. Got some wine and some stock, baby reds, some chicken thighs, a mirepoix, and everything ready to go. There's the recipe. And we got some goodies over there, and I got some pears. There's 2 pears in there. Those are for one of the 3-ingredient challenge recipes this week. So yes, this week I'm preparing 2 of the 3-ingredient challenge submissions. Don't remember what they are, but I will be doing them. So have a great Sunday. Watch plenty of NASCAR, watch plenty of football, and have a great day. Eat great food and have fun cooking. Bye.